What's up, y'all? It's your boy EJ Rush back with another video like always. What's up, EJ gang? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that notification bell so you can be notified when I post another video. And y'all know my birthday is in like what, 3 more days? I'm finna be lit and turned. I'm going to my mom asked me where I want to go eat for my birthday. I told her Fridays, so we going to Fridays for my birthday, and I'm getting a couple drinks for my birthday. Well, today's video, y'all, is gonna be a mukbang for y'all guys. I got 2 chicken salad sandwiches and some tea, and some water, guys. What's up with y'all? Let me know how y'all doing in the comments. I'm ready. I'm ready to turn 29. God, let me see another year. Thank you, God, for letting me see another year. Yes, sir. God, let your boy see another year. Y'all know, well, y'all know, what was I about to say? I forgot what I was about to say, y'all. Oh yeah, I got some good news today. I might be moving into a bigger house, y'all. If y'all don't know, I stay in a trailer park. And, they're gonna try to find this house with a big backyard and a fence, so I'll be able to move around in my new wheelchair. I'm gonna go to like somewhere like they got job training for me, so I can get certificates. Cause them certificates, when you go to job training, they take you far. They help you get different jobs. So that's what I'm finna do. Like, I'm finna go get job training so I can learn the job. Whatever job I want to get, they're gonna train me on before I actually go get a real job. Them certificates take you a long ways. They help you out too. Good thing I did move. Good thing I did move out of Virginia, cause in Virginia you don't get none of that in Virginia. What you get in North Carolina? I mean in Richmond. In Richmond, guys. I'm from Richmond. My bad. I mean VA. Yeah. In Richmond, guys, they don't give y'all none of that in Richmond. Like, they don't give you help at all. You gotta struggle. Man, I've been having help since I've been down here. Like, I haven't been, shit. Once, once I start working for real, save my money up, start this clothing brand. Y'all know, I've been telling y'all I want. Oh, the brand broke, y'all. The brand broke. Once I get that training, guys, it's all over. I'm finna make bread for me and mine, which I mean, as mine, I mean me. Me, my little cousins, and my best friend, bro. I'm ready to make bread for us, bro. Like, no buzz. My best friend been there for me from my ups, through my ups and downs. Like, Mimi been there for me, like, on some real stuff. Man, I'm mad at Brick. I'm mad that bread broke. Like, yo, come on, man. But that water gonna be good. I don't drink no other water unless it's Dare Park. That other water, that other name brand water is nasty to me. Mm-mm. I don't even drink water out the sink. I don't do that either. That's nasty. It tastes funny. Y'all gotta think about it. The water, well, we got well water. Well water is good, but still, I'm not drinking it. It comes from you gotta think about it. You use it to take a bath. You use it to flush the toilet. You use it to wash dishes. You gotta think about it. It goes to your toilet, from your toilet to your sink in your bathroom, your tub. You gotta think about it, bro. I'm not, I'm good. If I gotta drink something, it's gonna be tea. If you ain't got no tea in your house or no Kool-Aid, I'm not drinking nothing out your house unless it's Dale Park water. Yes, sir. I'm doing a video for y'all guys. I I did a video yesterday, but it didn't do as good as it's gonna do today, bro. Like, y'all must not know I'm that dude. I'm gonna keep grinding until I make it to the top. Mimi, I love Monty. I love both Monties. My sister Monty and my best friend Monty. I mean, yeah. My sister Monty and my cousin Monty, I mean. I love you, Mimi. Dead ass, bro. You been there for me through my ups and downs. Like, we both been there for each other. I will never forget you, no cap. I I can't wait till I move so I can really, since we ready to move into a bigger house, guys, I really want to hook my room up. Like, I want LED lights, right? I want posters. I want pictures. I got a picture already on my wall, but I only got one. That one is my grandma. I had two pictures, but I don't know where my second picture went. I had a picture of the squad. If y'all don't know who the squad is, y'all ain't no real fans. Cause I got the squad posted on my store, on my shorts on from my TikTok video or whatever. If y'all don't know who the squad is, but you not no real fan. I can't wait to turn 29. I'll be 30 next year. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I might drop some music. I might drop some music. I'm thinking about it. I ain't sure yet though. I'm thinking about it though. No cap. And I want the day after my birthday, I want to go see Superman. I wish it was coming out on my birthday because if it was the new Superman movie, if it was, I would have went to go see Superman. I'm a big fan of Superman, not Batman. I'm a Superman fan and Spider-Man fan and Hawk. Now I'm gonna see what I'm gonna choose to drink. Let's see. I want the tea first. Then I'm gonna drink the water. But I ain't gonna. I'm gonna drink the tea first, then the water, man. You see, this tea is peach tea. And I'm ready to go get my hair cut tomorrow so I can get it fresh for my birthday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, and I'm going to the lake too. I don't know what day I'm going to the lake, but I'm going to the lake, have a cookout, all that. I'm hopefully I have my phone by then, and I will blog it for you guys. Hopefully I could blog on my birthday too. Stay tuned for my birthday blog. I still don't got no phone, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And press that notification bell so you can be notified when I post another video. My bad, I had to burp. And I didn't want to burp on camera, so I just had to close it while I burped. Peace, I'm out. Peace. Yes, sir.